Something big is happening in this country. Today, they just announced Airtel and Telkom merger. Just the other day, also we had CBA and NIC merger in the banking sector. That was triggered by something, which I think is the interest rate cap, and that's a story for another day. But today I just want to talk about the Airtel and Telkom merger. What is just happening in our telecom sector? I think the telecom, if you've been following the telecom sector, you will notice that Telkom has not been making money for a long time. Airtel has also not been making money for a very long time. They've tried to change their ownership for a series of times, and I think this is the last test that they're throwing into the space. They're saying the only way to be able to compete with Safaricom at the same level is to become as big and mighty as Safaricom. And therefore, why not bring Telkom and Airtel together? And that's what has just happened today. Now, how is this a good thing or a bad thing? I think it's a good thing. It's a good thing that these two big institutions are going to form one big asset. And I hope one of these days this will also come to the listed space, and I think it will add a lot to the stock market. That put aside, I think then they're going to be able to compete better because they're going to have combined infrastructure, combined footprint and coverage. On the other hand, I also think if you look at the last time that there was aggression on Safaricom, that is when Airtel slashed its tariffs by 67%, everybody thought Safaricom was dead in the water. Just don't write off Safaricom. I think this is going to push Safaricom to innovate unlike ever before. So watch this space. Let's see what happens, and if you want to engage me, let's continue engaging in the next couple of days as this information sinks in us, and I'm sure I'll be able to share more insights with you. Thank you for watching. My name is Mushiri Mugo, the Managing Director of Nabu Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa.